Hello, Tech Explorers. Want to add a Telegram story and share what's on your mind? I got you. Let's do it in just few steps. First, open the Telegram app. At the bottom right of your chat screen, you will see a camera icon. Tap on it. Now, select a photo or video from your gallery or capture one in real time. Want to make it more fun? Add text, stickers, or even draw on it. Once you are happy with it, choose your audience. You can share it with everyone, only contacts, or specific person. Finally, tap post and your story is live. What's the first thing you are sharing on your Telegram story? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You have successfully posted a story on Telegram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.